Hey everyone, let's dive into the ultimate guide to Alexa Home. If you've ever wondered what it's like to have a truly smart home, Alexa is your go-to assistant. From controlling your lights to managing your daily schedule, Alexa brings a whole new level of convenience into your life. First up, setup is a breeze. Just plug in your Echo device, download the Alexa app on your smartphone, and follow the on-screen instructions. In no time, you'll be asking Alexa to play your favorite tunes or tell you today's weather. Now, let's talk about voice commands. Alexa's voice recognition is top-notch. Just say Alexa, followed by your command. For example, Alexa, turn on the living room lights, and boom, instant illumination. But that's just scratching the surface. With a range of skills, Alexa can order you a pizza, book you an Uber, or even help you with cooking recipes. Skills are like apps, and you can enable them directly from the Alexa app. Got smart home devices? Alexa can integrate with a wide array of gadgets. Think smart bulbs, thermostats, and even security cameras. For instance, you can say, Alexa, set the thermostat to 72 degrees, and your home's climate adjusts automatically. One cool feature is Alexa Routines. Imagine waking up with your lights gradually brightening, your coffee machine starting, and your favorite news briefing playing. You can customize routines to fit your lifestyle perfectly. Security is also a big deal. With Alexa Guard, you can set up alerts for sounds like breaking glass or smoke alarms when you're not home. It gives you that extra peace of mind. Now, privacy. Alexa allows you to delete your voice recordings. Just say, Alexa, delete what I just said, or manage your data through the Alexa app. It's all about giving you control over your information. And let's not forget Alexa's ability to connect with other Amazon services. Stream your favorite shows on Fire TV, get your shopping done on Amazon.com, or even enjoy hands-free calling and messaging with other Echo users. That's a quick rundown of what Alexa Home can do for you. It's all about making daily tasks easier, more fun, and incredibly efficient. So if you're looking to step up your smart home game, Alexa is the ultimate companion. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech insights. Catch you in the next one.